Mostly we use saving and investment words interchangeably without understanding the proper meaning. Today I am going to describe these two words, whether both the words are same or different from each other. Before I go further, let's talk about reality of life, and that is inflation. This inflation will not stop. Coming back to our point, say for example, Mr. A saves rupees 100 in his cupboard as he is fearful and not sure. His principle is intact and he is right in his part also, but after 10 years, this rupees 100 becomes 60 due to inflation as the purchasing power of the money decreases. In other case, Mr. B invested rupees 100 and this becomes rupees 160 after 10 years. So from rupees 60 of Mr. A to rupees 160 of Mr. B is the difference between saving and investment, which I want to highlight and the essence of this subject. Saving is setting aside the money you don't spend now but required for emergencies or for a future purchase. This money you want to able to access quickly with little or no risk. Investing is buying asset such as stocks, bonds, mutual fund or real estate with the expectation that your investment will make money for you. Investment usually are selected to achieve long-term goals. To achieve your dreams, only saving will not work. We need to invest, and that too in right product depending on risk and time horizon. You can see the metrics which I had prepared for my client according to time horizon and risk appetite. Say for example, one prospect come to me and have 10 years in hand with low risk. I would suggest him more of mutual fund, less of stock, and likewise another person has same time horizon and ready for higher risk. My recommendation for him will be real estate, gold, stock as well as mutual fund. Investment is a process. It is must if you want to create wealth and keep up with the ever rising demand and inflation. The sooner you start, the better it is over long term. Your investment get compounded and the power of compounding works wonder to build your wealth empire.